This is my niece's Griffin iPhone iPod cable charger, and it has the plug thingy. You have to squeeze the little buttons on the side. This reminds me of an old telephone wire. And on these, you don't press no buttons on the side. You just plug it in and that's it. This one is the one that came with my iPod. And I got this one at a swampmeet. I forgot how much it costs. This one is thinner, or looks thinner than this one. And I think this one is thinner than this one. This one's the thickest one, I think. I could be wrong.